hakalong briu man briu ki jingjanjar ki jingmut jimperkhat kin don bej haman lau wei pu wei pat bun sien ki Shynrang ki don ye kata ki jing Lehraiñ ban pensno ki ta ki Jingeh namar gladon ke chi kai ne du ki por bel lejdo bag Shynrang kim dei ban pensno ki ta ki Jingeh bat bun sien na ki jing Lehraiñ kawan ra pat ki Jingeh ki Jingim jongki bat poiru shudu put bikin shem yela ka jong ki Jingim kayu mata multi-purpose cooperative society harangkat ke chingi trailang bag drug reduction elimination and action mission dream haka arfoi trek nai weng arja opsan kum shiban taban rakhi ke ski kerpang Shynrang lani ke International Men's Day kala pelang ke program Let's Talk Men's Mental Health ha Green Mount Cafe kepada na Kolfleng ha kebalawan ber shiban ta do ba Francis Karchieng retired IPS bar mission director ke Dream uba direct masa counseling psychologist lead counselor ke admission India and admission abroad lalu Dr. Khamchan Chermang MBBS kibala yemer jumot halo ke Jingeh ke bag Shynrang ke banmat ha ke jumut cemperkhat lani ke mental health ha ke Jingeh kran bag kong Rika Surong founder chairman ke Umata lalu ke kong Apilian Nongrum kila pentep babun sin ke Shynrang kilong ke Lehraiñ ban pensngawi lagi jong ke Jingeh namar banadu dangret lahi kai ki bekilong ki baklañ kum ki kenthai kila ongru baman lau Snem kacingdan juk Shynrang ki beshem mila ka jong kacing em kidan hadu kumba 90% bakum ta kila ong bag Shynrang ki deban kren halor kacing e juki bakim deban Lehraiñ namar kidan yala ka jong ka hok
I've been left alone. Right now this place no longer feels like home. It's a better feel. Got my son free. The walls go on in between. Daddy home you run up to your room. Cousin where the hell and sing back so soon. Is beating your mom and next your turn. Hoping that you pray and be gone. We've done that was stick out up in the storm. Like burn the cross of somebody for. You're going insane. You got to your veins tonight. Your pleasure, your pain. Whole things will always be the same. Gotta have something right to your window pane. Be strong in that faith. You lift your faith. I promise you see better days. Look what we've done with ourselves. Look what we've done with our life. It seems like we all just go blind with love, but none but broken hearts. Broken hearts. I hope my family life just live like we never think twice. We're killing ourselves from everyone else. Like we've poisoned, like we've been poisoned.
Here, Happy Men's Day. Ngile kene ka program because ngipet ma mantash por when it comes to men ngimjuda kamdan kum kini ki program. So that's why there's so much of unhealed trauma that we talk about, healing and all of those things. So we really want to put this forward that even the mental health of the male, it matters a lot. So when we talk about this, that means 50% of the things, the problems that we have with when it comes to the insecurity of women or abuses, right? All of these things, we want to say that it maybe 50% of it will be solved if men come out to talk about their problems.
And the thing kawi pada ang kalyang jeng nangar kwaban kran ba long hakani ka matrilineal society ru na si yo so bhabun ki Shynrang am ki shit ong te ba even hayeng la jong ki they feel like they don't belong, and especially the la yo lok rima ki la mi na yeng they done problems ting am like sometimes they don't feel like they belong even hayeng lok ru hayeng kemiru so kadan bi kata yi kayeng kemir lani kayeng lok. So sometimes they have that, and kamtam deki jinjar employment and all of these things kaeb hayaki. So like all these things there, and then also katahi bi ong area mo ba lada ki open up ki Shynrang ru ki feel safe, and so kani ka you matter ni kwa bale program ba ki Shynrang ru can feel safe, and then they'll feel like they can open up, nobody is going to judge them. Like kumta kan kanang ba ki la ban navigate ki emotions chunki, and then ki la ban deal kan with even their daily struggles through kan.
Through experience I've been in this field for more than 5 years. We have seen that when it comes to male mo ngilai na do dang kulong ruhi da suppose da ngadon angot para mo ngadi kentay Shynrang da nga or mga mostly imenong ikon kentay a princess, but if my brother will cry, I'll be like mamayo di Shynrang mem laban yam. So this is the first thing Shynrang. If we come up, if we cry, then that means we are weak. And we have seen that in so many reels. Ki don ki break ki ong ba. Oh, okay. If I cry, I'm weak. If I, take out my emotions, I'm a weak person. That is the main thing. Kim ko abakin shakhat bikilong weak and as a male mo kadang katuka ego bangi ong.
And yes, societal expectations. Kung may ang isa menemo sa karshiyeng ba kani ka term khat arbor mo ba ka dan kishit penlong bhaya ki am ye kishin rang ba kin sngo ba I'm strong so ngamla ra ban yam ngamla ra ban I can't be weak, I can't look weak in front of my partner or maybe my family because I have to be strong, I'm the bread earner anga di Shynrang mo ka bakit ka yung kasam tikini ki expectations sometimes am ki penlong ye ki bakin do like they lose themselves in that kind.
Okay, we're not talking about the statistics here, but when it comes to suicide, about 70% of male, we see every year they commit suicide. Why? Because kimla ban kren. When it comes to female, kakang kamdunahi because kumi kintema tingi dan problem ngila likren ngi perlong ngila ayam ngila batay. But suppose kumanta feel finition dang fee suppose dan problem finna ong ya perlong jong fi ong kwa ban yam ikom takin riki am ngila mame di sendang ngimji yam ngi. So all of these things mo takadaw according to stats when it comes to stats, 70% of male when it comes to suicide rate. So it's very high, Ken. Yes, very much it's needed, ma. That's why I think, I don't know about other organizations, but our organization, we really focus on men's mental health because it matters a lot. We want people, but everyone is equal. So when we talk about, equality, that should also be equal, Ken, for everybody, that men should come out, should speak about it. And we have this open space. That's why we do these kind of open mic sessions where male can come up and say that okay, yeah, I am weak, but it's okay, I'm human being, I can become weak, or if I want to cry, I can cry, there's no problem to it.
Like long communication ba when it comes to mental health or physical health or anything health perspectives like ngimla benlong immune te baro khat ngin dan hi ngin yo pang hi either physically or mentally or any aspect like tikalong kumniken kishin rang ne pidi kentai ne pidi khna ne pida khamrang baru fila ban go through ki mental health issues ru ken takada ken yi kwa ban long a safe space for everyone.
Yes, we are doing that. In fact, I don't want to disclose this, but we are doing something on men's mental health. And I'm also a scholar right now, a PhD scholar, and I'm doing my research on men's mental health. And I'll tell you, it's very difficult for me to just find a literature review doing on men's mental health. So you can see, nobody talks about it. So now it's high time that we talk about mental health, for men as well, because it matters. You matter as a person. People, they feel really scared to seek, therapy. They feel really scared about, I'm going to a therapist. Kirang dami to stigma, kinsha ang fila bait ne, all of those things. The few somebody ba finit san care mo, this person has gone crazy. So these are the types of things we really want to change as, as a organization, as psychologists, as human being standing here. Yeah, true.
Yes, kadan kamha actually ngikwa ba in every community amba can prioritize ya kanigan ba ngindan ka mental health programs not just for men women kandan for everyone so that kandan ka to acceptance and ka to stigma can break it.
Habatin pej bahagi kishap kashap plus F
ka plus F
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jingim bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya